Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting and delicious recipe. Although it's a common recipe, but it's made in a different style. So today I'm going to show you how to make paneer tikka, but I'm going to steam it instead of broiling it or grilling it. So let's see how to make that. The ingredients for this recipe are some triangle pieces of paneer. This is the lime juice, some roughly chopped onions, some squares of bell peppers. These are the red and yellow bell peppers, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic. This is the tandoori masala or tikka masala. I have some red chili powder. This is the degi mirch powder or the Kashmiri red chili, just for color. This is a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. I have about 1 tablespoon of garbanzo beans powder or besan and quarter cup yogurt. I also have half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of mustard oil. The first thing I'm going to do is make the marinade for this paneer tikka, and I'm going to add the yogurt in this bowl. Next goes in the besan. You can also roast the besan a little if you want to. I have some mustard oil that I'm adding, some salt, jeera powder, tandoori masala, red chili powder, ginger and garlic. I'm also adding the lime juice and mix everything together to make a paste. So I've mixed everything together and now I'm going to add the paneer pieces. And some onions and bell peppers. Okay, and I'm going to mix everything together. So our marinade is now ready and this is how it looks. And now I'm going to show you a very nice trick to get a tandoori flavor in this whole paneer tikka. I have this charcoal that I'm going to heat on the gas flame and keep it inside this paneer tikka and cover it and keep it for about 30 minutes. And the smoky flavor of the hot charcoal is going to make the paneer tikka really smoky and give you that tandoori flavor. Okay, so let's get started with that. So I have this piece of charcoal and I turn on the gas flame and just keep this charcoal over here. And I just let it heat up a little. This will give a really nice tandoori flavor to our paneer tikka or any tikkas. So our charcoal is really heated, so I turn off the flame and keep the charcoal on this and add a little bit of clarified butter or ghee to this. So now it's going to release the smoke. I'm just going to cover this, and as you can see, it's getting smoky inside, and just leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes like this so it gets all the tandoori flavor in the paneer. So our paneer has been sitting for about 20 to 30 minutes and the charcoal is right inside to give that smoky flavor. And I have this bamboo steamer in which I'm going to steam this paneer. So now I'm going to take this charcoal out and This is the bamboo steamer, and I have lined it with some banana leaves in both these. And I have these mini skewers, in which I'm going to put these paneer cubes and the vegetables. Like this. And just place it inside like this. And I'm going to make similar skewers out of these other ones. So our mini skewers are inside this dish, and I'm just going to cover this with a banana leaf on top. And just put this like this. And our water has been boiling right now because I want to steam this, and let's keep this for steaming. So our water has been steaming, and I'm lowered the flame, and I'm going to just place this here. And it's optional to cover it with this lid, although it's not going to cover completely, but it's optional, so I'll just cover it slightly. Okay, and leave this for about 15 minutes and then check. Our paneer tikka has been steaming for about 20 minutes, and I have turned off the flame, and let's check on this carefully. And as you can see, the paneer and the bell peppers, onions have become really soft. It's not going to be like the grilled paneer tikka as you may think, because this is steamed, but it smells really good because of the tandoori flavor that we gave to this paneer, although it's steamed. So let me just plate it and show you. Now I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala over this. So you can see these mini skewers look so cute, and they're really delicious, although they are steamed, but I can still get the smoky fragrance, and I'm sure the flavor is going to be tandoori as well. And I'm going to serve it with some cilantro chutney. This has cilantro or hara dhania, green chilies, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onions, along with some yogurt, salt, some sugar, and lime juice as well. Our steamed paneer tikka is now ready, and I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do share your comments if you did, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And thanks for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.